Welcome to the air fryer revolution, changing the way we cook. The air fryer is not just another kitchen gadget, it's a revolutionary appliance that has transformed the way we prepare our meals. The air fryer has emerged as a game changer, delivering crispy results without excess oil. Imagine enjoying your favorite fried foods without the guilt of consuming too much oil. It uses a powerful fan to circulate hot air, creating a crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender. This innovative technology ensures that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. Simply set the temperature and timer and let the appliance do the rest. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone, from novice cooks to seasoned chefs. From frying and roasting to baking and grilling, the possibilities are endless. You can experiment with a variety of recipes and cooking methods, all with one versatile appliance. Its compact size makes it a perfect fit for smaller kitchens. Even if you have limited counter space, the air fryer can easily find a spot in your kitchen. With just a few simple steps, you can transform everyday meals into gourmet experiences. Whether you're cooking for yourself or entertaining guests, the air fryer helps you create delicious, healthy dishes effortlessly. Next up, let's explore the health benefits. Why air fryers are a healthier choice. Air fryers have become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods, making them a must-have in any health-conscious kitchen. Air fryers use little to no oil, significantly reducing calorie intake. Traditional frying methods often require large amounts of oil, which can add unnecessary calories and unhealthy fats to your meals. With an air fryer, you can enjoy the same crispy texture and delicious taste without the guilt. They help retain the nutrients in your food by using lower temperatures and shorter cooking times. This means that your meals are not only healthier, but also more nutritious. The quick cooking process ensures that vitamins and minerals are preserved, providing you with a more wholesome meal. Air frying can lower the levels of harmful acrylamide by up to 90%. Acrylamide is a chemical that forms in certain foods during high-temperature cooking methods, such as frying. By using an air fryer, you can significantly reduce your exposure to this potentially harmful substance. This makes it a safer cooking method, reducing exposure to harmful substances. In addition to lowering acrylamide levels, air fryers also produce fewer harmful compounds compared to traditional frying, making them a safer choice for your health. Air fryers are great for cooking a variety of foods without adding extra fats or oils. From vegetables to meats and even desserts, the versatility of an air fryer allows you to prepare a wide range of dishes that are both healthy and delicious. The ability to cook meals that align with your nutritional goals makes the air fryer a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're looking to lose weight, maintain a healthy lifestyle, or simply enjoy better-tasting food, an air fryer can help you achieve your culinary and health objectives with ease. Finally, let's dive into quick and easy recipes. Delicious dishes with minimal effort. Prepare quick and easy meals without sacrificing taste. Whip up crispy chicken wings in just 20 minutes. For French fries, cut potatoes, toss in oil and seasonings, and air fry until golden brown. Vegetables like Brussels sprouts can be transformed into crispy delights. Other veggies like zucchini, bell peppers, and cauliflower can also be air fried to perfection. For dessert lovers, make everything from air fried donuts to apple chips with ease. Indulge in your sweet tooth without the usual guilt. Section 4. Tips and tricks. Maximizing your air fryer's potential. Your air fryer is a versatile tool that can revolutionize your cooking experience. Always preheat your air fryer before adding your food. This ensures that your food starts cooking immediately and evenly. Avoid overcrowding the basket to ensure even cooking. Overcrowding can lead to unevenly cooked food and longer cooking times. Shake the basket or flip the food halfway through the cooking process. This helps in achieving a uniform texture and prevents sticking. Use a light coat of oil or cooking spray to enhance crispiness. A little oil goes a long way in making your food golden and delicious. Experiment with different seasonings and marinades. This is your chance to get creative and try new flavors. The high heat of the air fryer can intensify the taste of spices. This means your dishes will be more flavorful and aromatic. From classic barbecue rubs to exotic spice blends, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to mix and match to find your perfect combination. These tips will help you get the most out of your air fryer. With a little practice, you'll be cooking like a pro in no time. Section 5. Cleaning and maintenance. keeping your air fryer in top shape. Clean the basket and tray after each use. Use warm, soapy water and a non-abrasive sponge to avoid scratching surfaces. Wipe the exterior with a damp cloth. Clean the heating element at the top of the air fryer. Check the air intake and exhaust vents periodically. Keep the vents clear to ensure proper airflow. With proper care, your air fryer can deliver delicious, healthy meals for years. Section 6. The Modern Kitchen Essential. Why you need an air fryer. The air fryer is more than just a trendy kitchen gadget. It's a powerful tool. It creates healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. The convenience and versatility make it invaluable. Reduce your calorie intake and enjoy nutritious meals. Quick cooking times and easy recipes save time. Its compact size and multifunctionality mean less kitchen clutter. Transform your kitchen today with the brand name air fryer and discover endless possibilities.